Hello, boys and girls. It's me. My name is Dodo. Welcome to Cuckoo's website. Huh? Why me? It's because Cuckoo is on holiday. So here I am with some big fans. Philip, Sally and Nick. They all have a dream. It's a dream about making Hong Kong a better place to visit. Let's listen to what they have to say.
I have a dream. I'd like to see a beautiful Hong Kong. It should be full of good colours and good smells.
I have a dream. Imagine a white Hong Kong in winter. Everything covered in snow. Guess what I'll do? Haha!
I have a dream. Besides the MTR, buses and ferries, can we have submarines? I really like to travel by submarine.
Sounds really interesting. But can all their dreams come true? Come and check it out now! Let's travel to Hong Kong 2025! Ha-ha! Woohoo!
Do you remember me? I'm Philip. I study plants. I'm a botanist. Welcome to Mongkok. Do you know this road? This is Nathan Road. Look at the trees and the flowers here. I planted some of them. They make the road beautiful, don't they? It's a dream come true.
Of course, they do. But in the old days, it was full of traffic. It was noisy. It was always crowded. It was very busy. Hey, boys and girls, look what it's like now. It has less traffic. It is quieter. It is less crowded. It is less busy. It has the flower of Hong Kong, Bauhinia. What a beautiful sight!
Smell the Bauhinias. The flowers smell so sweet. They come in different colours, but they are all from the same family.
Haha! The Bauhinia is the flower emblem of Hong Kong! Ah! There is a golden Bauhinia! Do you know where?
Look at these cotton trees. They stand tall and straight in the roads. Who can miss the big red flowers? I'm so glad. My dream has come true. Hong Kong looks more beautiful than ever.
Do you agree? Would you like to visit this place? Tell us. Share your views on our website.
Hi there, I'm Sally. Here I am in Central. It's cold, but look what we have. That's right, a big ice rink. Isn't that great? Victoria Harbor is open for skating in winter. Can you imagine that?
In the old days, people crossed the harbour by ferry. They rode on boats. They set sail. They even swam in winter for fun. But now, in 2025, whoa, there is snow in winter. The seawater is frozen. What an ice skating rink.
Let's skate now. It's a dream come true. People have skating contests. I can skate fast. Some people skate faster. Some people make ice sculptures. They're like artwork. Which one do you like? Ice sculptures are beautiful to look at, but they are cold to touch. At this time of year, I usually have a lot of fun. My dream has come true. I can see a white Hong Kong. Hey, what's going on? Oh, a snowball. From the peak?
See? People are skiing in the mountain. Some are snowboarding. Whoa! They enjoy the winter sports very much.
I am so glad. My dream has come true. A white Hong Kong.
Hello, everyone. I am Nick. We're at the Kai Tak Submarine Terminal. Yes, it's now a submarine terminal. Have you been here before? Look at the submarines. Right, submarines. I designed submarines. These submarines are my work. They are beautiful, aren't they? What are they made of? Glass? No way! They are made of fiberglass. They are very hard. They take you to see the world in the water.
Wow! Submarines! Do you know there were only cruise ships at this terminal? Tourists came to Hong Kong by cruise ship. There were few tourists. There were few shops. Visitors came and went. This site was once the airport runway. Whoa! Wow! Ha-ha! But now, in 2025, we have submarines. There are more tourists.
They can tour around Hong Kong by submarine. Now come and get on board. Let's see what we can find today. Isn't this great? Whoa! Ooh! See? Over there! Over here! Traveling by submarine is so much fun. It's a dream come true. I like the world under the water. Do you want a ride?
Hey, boys and girls! How did you like your trip to 2025? Do you want to make Hong Kong a better place to visit? Send in your dreams. Ha! Let's make your dreams come true! See ya!